This is the Donner Bluetooth turntable for vinyl records. So this is a wireless record player with a built-in phono preamp, magnetic cartridge, hi-fi variable pitch control, USB digital output, auto return, as well as 2 different speeds you can play it on. So here's a little look at the connections at the back. That'll be the main power cords. You can see line in and out. The Bluetooth settings just on the back, as well as some power buttons. So very simple and clearly laid out. This runs on a Bluetooth 5.1, which will allow you to stay connected with your favorite headphones if you want to listen on those wirelessly. So love that that's a setting. You can see the case is on here to keep everything dust free and clean. All the cords are included as well. So this has a moving magnetic cartridge on it that just really makes everything run smoothly, gives outstanding clarity and accurate track groups to give you that true hi-fi audio. You can see there's pitch variables on there on the right hand side, which I will move over to. There is a eject knob on there as well, which you can use while you are playing it. It'll stop the record gently with the tone arm and automatically return it to the tone arm to set it to rest. So you can see I'm just kind of playing around with the arm itself here. It's super easy to set up the Bluetooth button, as you'd see on the back. You could also connect it with a stereo by using those output sockets. There is a phone and line selector, as well as USB outlet sockets. So very just like clearly laid out and easy to use, which is what made it really appealing to me. Definitely recommend it. Check it out.